Another what-if analysis tool that you can use in Excel is called GoalSeek. And the way GoalSeek works is you have, you know the answer that you want to get for the formula. You just want to change one value that's used in the calculation of the formula to get to the answer. So for example here, I have a mortgage I just bought a home. I paid $150,000 for it. The down payment is $10,000. I got an interest rate of 5.96% annually. I'm going to pay it off in 30 years. That's 12 payments a year. Okay. My monthly payment is $835.77. So I'm going to pay a total amount of $300,000, $160,800 and some for interest. All right. Well, this is where we do what if. Well, you know, this is my monthly payment of $835.77. Do you know I can make a payment of $1,000 a month. So if I start making $1,000 a month, how many years will I take off of my payment? So you can sit here and I can come up here to the years alone and I can say, okay, well, what if I have 25 years for the loan? What will my payment be? Well, you can see it changed my payment to $898. So I can, and you can continue to do this what if. Well, what if my loan is only 15 years? Well, now my payment's more than $1,100. So instead of playing around and changing one variable at a time yourself, you can use what's called GoalSeek. So what you do is you put you select the cell that has the formula that you know the answer to. So I'm going to select B12 because that's my monthly payment. All right, I'm going to come up here. I'm going to do Data, What If Analysis, GoalSeek. Okay, so what I want here is I want to set the answer to my formula, it's in B12, to a value of $1,000. Now notice, you don't put the dollar sign in, you don't type a comma in, you put in just true digits. So I'm going to say I want B12 to set to a value of 1,000 by changing one cell, and the cell I want to change is the years, and that's B5. So I go ahead and click OK, and it instantly finds an answer. I'm going to click OK again, and so you can see it instantly found that if I pay for 19.99 or 20 years, $1,000 a month, I will pay off my loan in 20 years, and I will save. Look how much interest I will save compared to what I had if I pay over 30 years. So that's how GoalSeek works.